we're doing today. What do you think these are being made for? Spaghetti sauce, yo. Come on, not much for a little over a pound. That much for a little under a pound. Yeah. So this is my mom's spaghetti sauce. She's been making it for years. I've been making it for years as well. But she's the one who taught me this. And as far as I know, best spaghetti out there, best spaghetti sauce that I've had, best spaghetti sauce I've made. Any restaurants I go to are shit in comparison. So you guys will see how to do it for yourself. Alright. Got a bunch of onions ready to go. You'll see as we go. So you want to find a big ass jar of sauce. Is this for filler? And then a can of just some stewed tomatoes or something like this. Maybe 2 cans. I got 2 cans here, but I'm doing 1 can just because this is so big right here. And then a can of tomato paste. Alright, you'll see. We'll put it in one at a time. You'll see how this goes. Okay, we got a decent sized pot right here. Decent sized pot. Gonna pour this sauce in. Let it start warming up. There we go. First step, turn the heat on as well to about a 4, I guess, for now. Got these meatballs going. I'm probably just gonna break them down, not leave them out big balls like this, but it was a good deal. I couldn't pass on it, you know what I mean? But they'll get there. Let them heat up, heat through, shake them around, turn them over, all that good stuff. We'll get there. Sorry guys, crushing all your meatball hopes and dreams today. Breaking it down. Check me out. By the way, these are pork, so this is going to be a pork meat sauce today. Awesome. Here's where we're at now. Put the onions in there, salt, pepper, smoked paprika, garlic salt, whatever your favorite spices are. Yeah, getting there. Okay, those meatballs are in the pot. I haven't stirred it yet, but just remember they're gonna cook, so if you don't feel you cooked them all the way, don't worry about it. They will cook over the next few hours in the simmering pot of sauce. Now we're gonna do the sausages. Alright. Sausages in. Cook them up a little bit until they get brown, and chop them up, throw them in the pot. And then chop up your sausage. Don't worry about it being pink inside. It's all going to cook in that pot for a few hours. It's early right now where I'm at. I'm not eating till after 6, maybe 7. So it's almost 3 here right now. So I'm trying to get a start on this, because the longer you cook it, the better it's going to be. Got it? Totally out of order, but dump your other cans of sauce in there as well. This one too. It's a tomato paste. Should be looking similar to that, and then you give it a stir and it'll look a lot better. Like so. Got that glimmer in there, that oil sheen in there. Yeah. Might want to put a little olive oil in there too, just because it is Italian, you know. Now I'm going to do up some mushrooms. So do a couple mushrooms now, and then a couple later. However you want. I think I got like 4 or 5 mushrooms. I don't know, but there's 2 of them in there for now. So I added the rest of the onions I used half onion at first, and then put the other half in more towards the end in the last hour. And I did put the rest of the mushrooms in there too. But this is where we're at after like 3.5 hours. So assuming you're hungry by now, after a few hours of cooking your meat sauce, it's time to make some noodles. So fill up a pan with water, put some oil in there and some salt, and wait till it boils, and then put your noodles in. So I got this Italian linguine. Yeah. Here it is in the pot. It says to go 11 to 13 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. Make sure you stir this, you guys. You have to stir it at least a couple times throughout that 13 minutes, or else they'll just stick together and be clumpy. Okay? Drain your noodles like so without steam getting in the way. Don't burn yourself on the steam. Here's my bowl. Put a little sauce in the bottom first. And there we go. Spaghetti sauce over some linguine or whatever noodles you have. I'm sure you got them in your cupboard, or go buy them at the store cheap, whatever. But there you go. Let's dig in. And then top it with your favorite cheese. I got some Romano from Pagliacci down the street. All out of it on our own. So whatever cheese you got, whatever floats your boat, put it on there. Then mix it up. Okay, awesome as usual. Unexpected. Friggin' so good. So my mom, this is her recipe. She made it on a trip we went on one time with a lot of other people, and they all loved it and gave her praise about it. So good. So awesome. Just follow these steps, one ingredient at a time, and you will accomplish this in your own kitchen. Alright guys, thanks for checking in with what I'm doing today. Please smash that like and subscribe button, and share with your friends, share with the world. You know, all that cringy YouTube crap. And check out one of these next videos on screen. I will see you guys next time. I love you. Chronic Eats out. Peace.
Bye-bye.
What? Say it again.
Bye-bye.